What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another BNGO update. In the last video, I mentioned that I feel like Bionano will announce details of the public offering today or early next week, and sure enough, today we have that announcement. Bionano Genomics announced today the pricing of its previously announced underwritten public offering of 29 million shares of its common stock at a price to the public of $3.05 per share. Now, as expected, the share price took a dive, but in my opinion it's holding up nicely now, just above the $4 mark. I was expecting it to fall slightly under or close to the $3 mark, but it's still trading above $4, so that clearly shows the amount of interest and confidence that retail traders have in the company. Now, I've seen a couple of videos from YouTubers that talk about how they personally would have liked to see an offering at a slightly higher price, but you have to remember that this was trading at 70 cents just a few days ago, so a $3 offering is still miles away from where it used to be, and I'm glad that they actually did an offering here because, as we know, BNGO's balance sheet wasn't that great, and hopefully they can now use some of this money to not only expand and scale up their business, but also strengthen their balance sheet. Now, the big question will be how the news coming out of the symposium week is taken up by the investors. It's pretty obvious that the symposium week is supposed to highlight all the benefits of the Sapphire system, and after reading their CEO's tweet, you can clearly see how excited they are. So I'm just going to read this tweet from a day ago. The symposium will be an incredible showcase for Sapphire. Sapphire is proving to be that platform with the potential for adoption in the clinic with its accuracy, speed, and cost. So clearly they're expecting big things from next week. I do have a slight concern which could lead to short-term fluctuation in the share price. This is known as the ARK effect. A lot of people are almost expecting that after the symposium, ARK Invest will for sure start buying the stock. Now, this isn't a done deal, but there's a big probability that even if the symposium week is great for Sapphire, that ARK Invest actually won't end up investing in BNGO. But that doesn't mean that BNGO isn't good or doesn't have any potential in the future. I can name a lot of companies that ARK Invest has no stake in that have done really well in 2020. So in the likely event that they don't buy BNGO shares, you could see a lot of people with weaker hands dumping their shares. I hope it doesn't happen, but it's speculation, I know, but it's my thought process that I'm sharing with you guys. Personally, for me, nothing really has changed. I was expecting an offering, we have an offering, and with the positive catalyst lined up next week, the share price could recover nicely. I'm still holding my shares and I'm excited about next week. That is it for today. I will see you in the next one, guys.